Hey everyone, welcome to Young Investor Podcast. My name is Hong, and today I'm excited to share with you all a few money saving tips, from how to cut daily expenses to smart budgeting hacks. Here's the truth that most people don't want to hear. About 42% of Americans have zero emergency funds, and 40% couldn't handle a $1,000 emergency without borrowing or going into debt. Think about it. One flat tire, one ER visit, one missed paycheck, and millions find themselves in a financial freefall. Why? Because no one ever really taught us how to manage money. But here's the truth that changes everything. You don't need to be rich to build savings. You just need strategies. And the best part, you can start right now with whatever you got. So income doesn't equal wealth. Building financial freedom doesn't start with making more money. It starts with saving what you already have. It's not about luck. It's not about six-figure salary. It's about learning a few key habits. And consistency is the key. You can be making $120K a year and still broke if you're spending like $121K. Meanwhile, people making $45K a year, they could be retiring early. If they live below that means save first and invest early. So let's go and set up our transfers to saving accounts every payday. You can start with like 5%, 10%, then 15, 18. The more you can save right now, the earlier you can retire. Make it non-negotiable, make it invisible, make it automatic, outside of temptation. If you don't see it, you don't spend it. Or even better, you could go ahead and set up a separate bank account so you don't have to accidentally dip into it. Make sure you research around. Many banks, they offer a lot of cash bonuses. Could be 100, 200, and could be up to 300. So we'll get more to save, not to spend. Number 2, frugality. Frugality is not being cheap. It's being intentional. It's being in control. So buy in bulk. Check out Costco. They have a lot of good deals for different things. But make sure that you buy essential things only. Otherwise, you just keep buying and buying, because you see them cheap but don't actually need them. So it's gonna go into waste. You basically just spending more money because you've seen good deals. But for buying anything non-essential, should wait for 1 week. If you still want it, cool. If you forget about it, great. You just save money. At the end of the day, these questions could help. What are they for? What benefits do you get out of it? Do you already have something that brings maybe the same or similar benefits? Are they worth it? Use credit card points for travel, hotels, flight, grab big enjoy bonuses, and then pay them off monthly like a debit card. But be careful. Just because you're earning credit card rewards doesn't mean it's a green light to overspend. If you carry a balance, you're giving those rewards back with interest. Use digital coupons, Pawns.com, Return Me Not, Capital One Shopping, Honey. Different credit cards give you different cashback programs. Some are good for groceries, some are good for food, online shopping, and some they do offer rotation. For example, 3% cashback for gas this month and 1% cashback for groceries. But next month it could be the 1% for gas only and 3% cashback for groceries. Potentially, you could utilize different credit cards for most of your expenses. Number 3, pay attention to your lifestyle. Wear simple clothes. No one will remember the shirt you wore last week. So don't drop like $200 on a logo. Cook at home. Eating out like 5 times a week, it could probably cost as much as your rent. Brew your own coffee. Don't Uber, DoorDash, do meal preps. It saves you money, but also like keeps you healthy. Buy used things like cars, furniture, tools, and even clothes. Facebook Marketplace is a great place to check out. Sell your own clothes on Poshmark, ThredUp, eBay, and any stuff that you no longer use. Facebook Marketplace is a great place for mostly everything. Number 4, track every dollar. Use Rocket Money, maybe every dollar, or even creating your own spreadsheet. Know where your money goes before it disappears. Track expenses monthly. This will open your eyes to how much you are accidentally wasting. Number 5, house hacking. If you already have a house, I guess mortgage is your biggest bill, but it doesn't have to be. You can go ahead and rent the spare rooms out, and it's gonna be even better if you could turn your living room into another extra bedroom. Some people manage it well enough to get their mortgage covered and even make some profit on top of it. If you are renting right now, you also can do that by going to rent 2 or 3 bedroom apartment, and then you can rent out the empty rooms. It could help with your monthly rent. Now, house hacking is one of the most popular and common strategy to build wealth. Number 6, build the right money mindset. Wanna know how the rich stay rich? They live like they broke. Yes. Building financial freedom is not about spending big. It's about tracking your money and being intentional with every dollar. And here's the truth. You can find more money without making more money just by being aware of what you're spending. So y'all, at the end of the day, building financial freedom starts small. One smart habit, one track expense, one saving transfer. Just start today. Even if it's just $5, small steps lead to big freedom. Please like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.